Acura vehicles, just like Honda, come with radios and navigation units that lock themselves after a power loss. This security feature was designed to protect your car stereo from theft. But when you replace your battery, do maintenance, or even if your battery drains, your radio suddenly asks for a code. The only way to bring it back is to enter your Acura Radio Code. Every unit has a unique serial number, which links to your unlock code. To find the serial, newer models let you press and hold 1 and 6 while turning on the radio. If that doesn't work, you may need to partially remove the radio to see the label with serial number written on it. Once you have it, the rest is easy. Go to HondaRadioCodes.com, enter your Acura serial number, and your unlock code appears instantly. No dealership fees, no wasted time, just instant results. Plus, navigation codes are included free. To enter the code, turn on your radio, enter the digits one by one, and after the last number, you'll hear a confirmation beep. The radio resets and starts working again. So, if your Acura is asking for a code, don't panic. Unlock your radio today at HondaRadioCodes.com and enjoy your music without delay.